Welcome to this tutorial on building an AI agent and automating LinkedIn posts using N8N. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating an AI-powered workflow that automates your LinkedIn posting tasks. First, let's start with the basics. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows you to create custom workflows using a visual interface. To get started, you will need to sign up for an N8N account and install the desktop app. Once you have N8N set up, you can start creating your workflow. The first step is to add a trigger node, which will initiate the workflow. In this case, we will use a schedule trigger to post updates at regular intervals. Next, you will need to add an AI node to generate the content for your LinkedIn posts. This can be done using a natural language processing node, such as the language tool node. This node will generate text based on a prompt or topic that you provide. After the AI node, you will need to add a LinkedIn node to post the generated content to your LinkedIn account. You will need to authenticate your LinkedIn account with N8N to use this node. Now, let's talk about best practices for building an AI agent and automating LinkedIn posts. First, make sure to test your workflow thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. You should also monitor your workflow regularly to prevent any errors or issues. Another key concept to keep in mind is the importance of high-quality content. While the AI node can generate text, it's still important to review and edit the content to ensure that it is engaging and relevant to your audience. Finally, let's discuss some practical examples of how you can use this workflow. For example, you can use it to post daily updates, share news articles, or even automate your LinkedIn stories. In conclusion, building an AI agent and automating LinkedIn posts using N8N is a powerful way to streamline your social media marketing efforts. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a custom workflow that generates high-quality content and posts it to your LinkedIn account automatically.